Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically post videos to multiple Threads accounts using my Threads bot. First, this is the account management section. Here you can import and manage multiple Threads accounts inside the software. I recommend assigning a proxy to each account. Each account will use a different IP address, making your automation much safer. Before starting the campaign, you need to prepare your content inside the software. Go to Content Management, create a content category, and upload your videos. For each video, you can add a title, description, hashtags, and any text you want to publish together with the post. Now let's move to the Configure Post section. The first setting is choose the post type. The software supports document, image, video, and video, GIF, poll, and random. For this demonstration, I'll choose video as the post type. If needed, enable Pin Post to top to keep the published post at the top of your profile. You can also enable Add Content After Image to place the text after your media. Another useful option is Interaction After Posting. This allows the software to interact with the post automatically. You can automatically like the article, pin the post, share the article, or comment on the article after publishing. Once everything has been configured, select the Threads accounts you want to use. Click Start and the software will automatically begin the posting process. Each account opens in its own browser, logs into Threads, uploads the selected video, and publishes the content automatically. If interaction after posting is enabled, the software will continue performing actions such as liking, pinning, sharing, or commenting on the post automatically. Okay, let's check the result. If you'd like to learn more about this software or see a live demonstration, feel free to contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. I'll be happy to answer your questions and help you get started.